Hi, everyone. Today we're going to learn English for shopping. You will practice how to ask for prices, sizes, and colors in a store. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try shadowing the conversation to improve your speaking and listening skills. Let's get started. Hello, are you ready to practice shopping in English today? Yes, I'm ready. Let's go. Great. Imagine we walk into a clothing store. Okay. First, when you want to get attention, you can say, "Excuse me, can you help me, please? Excuse me, can you help me, please?" Perfect. Now, let's ask about an item. How much is this jacket? It's $45. Oh, $45. That's a bit expensive. Do you have something cheaper? Yes, this one is $30. I see. Okay, thanks. Good job. Now, if you want to ask about size, listen. Do you have this in medium? Do you have this in medium? Sorry, we only have small and large. Do you have it in large? Yes, here you go. Great. Can I try it on? Of course, the fitting room is over there. Excellent. After trying, you can say, "I like it, but do you have this in another color?" Yes, we also have it in black and blue. I'll take the blue one, please. Nice. And if you're not sure, you can say, "I'll think about it. I'll think about it." Okay, thank you. Perfect. Now let's finish the shopping. I'll take this shirt, please. Great. Will that be cash or card? Card, please. Here's your receipt. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye.